Yeah, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Yeah, so now I'm to talk about the valuable skills to dominate this business. Uh, just like yesterday, after sending my broadcast to my subscribers, so someone messaged me. He messaged me back, emailed me back that he found it believable to to believe all those figures that he used to see on people's screen, and he used to think that it's just a marketing gimmicks. That he has been in importation for nearly 1 year, and the highest amount of money he can just recoup in a month has been 50,000. That when he hears people saying that you can get more than 100,000 or 200,000 in a monthly basis on any importation business, especially when it comes to you importing product without how you selling product without importing from China. That he found it kind of unbelievable, and he was forced to message me so as to clear some things. So yeah, it is. I know it is possible for you not to believe it is possible. But I asked him a certain question, and when he asked me, then I know the cause of his disbelief. So he said, I asked him, how do you market your product? He told me that he used to just he put it on his status, on WhatsApp status and a Facebook page. So people will see it, and those that they see, they will share the page, and from that, he will be getting customer from one customer to the other. Anybody like he used to get product that is within the age range of his friends and relatives, that when they see it and they like it, they will share it, and they will refer some customers to him. And I laughed. And I told him, okay, uh, with this, can you reach out to 1,000 people at the same time? He said no. And I said, that's the reason you are making such a kind of money. So let me clear some airs regarding it, and I will clear it now. The first thing, if you want to actually make if you want to make killings in this niche, you need some valuable skills so you can dominate this business. First thing is you need to learn marketing and sales. You can have a beautiful product. You can have the beautiful product. You can have the most beautiful product in this world. But if you are not creating awareness, nobody will buy it. There is nobody will buy that product. People selling making a killing in a business doesn't mean that they have the best product. No, although they might have a good product, but it doesn't mean that their product is the best. There are some people that they have even better products, but the fact that they cannot create that awareness will make people not to buy from them. Will make people not to buy from them. Take it for instance, like Uber is not the best transport company in the world, but they are ranked the first because one, they create highest amount of awareness and people know them. The same thing, Airbnb, they are not the best real estate companies in the world, but they refer them as the best because they create the greatest awareness for human beings to believe. So same thing applicable to you as well. Learn how to market and do your sales. So with this, you'll be able to reach many people, and the higher number of people you reach, the higher number of sales you will record. And this one will also boost your income by putting you on great speed regarding how much and how many pieces of product you can sell on a monthly basis. The second skill you need to know is how to make people to pay attention to your offer. I've said that in previous listing. I can't just overemphasize the importance of digital marketing. What you put, like you have groups and you're putting it on your WhatsApp or your status. That means that it is your friends and your family that will be seeing it, and that it is always observed that friends and family does not even promote business. Some of them kill business. What they will be coming with an offer that you cannot afford, you cannot accept. They can just be telling you that you said this thing for me now, as per say that you are friends. So it will be very, very, very difficult in making massive profits while putting your offers or your stuff on your WhatsApp status. So learn product sourcing. I think I've given you enough material about that. So how to source for products, how to make killings with all those hot selling products. So you can learn that as well. So learn how to follow trends and duplicate successful business models. Like when you see it is still under mob mentality. That's how we human being reasons. So what makes you to love something? That same thing is very applicable. It is possible that another set of people that you reason the same way will like that thing. So when you see a particular, you should be reasoning different from audiences now, like people outside seeing Facebook ads. When you see a successful campaign, try and just see the reason why it is selling. You can check their ad copy, you check their video, you check their image. With that, anyway, by the time you want to do your own, so you can actually frame it. It will be like a replica of that successful campaign. So what is selling will continue to sell, and what doesn't sell will not sell. There's nothing you can do about it. So try to follow trends and know what is trending. Know what is trending. Know the market to sell at a particular period of time. During that December period that was it. So people selling all those ant fan that time, they will sell because that was what people want that time. So imagine someone selling that fan, that electric fan, when it is almost raining almost every day. Nobody will buy it because that's not the current trending product. So try and know the trending products, and you by that you just be selling according to what people want. So you won't be giving people what they don't want or what you think they want. So what people want is what will be given to them, and with that you go a long way. So another thing is you should learn logistics. E-commerce generally in Nigeria, it is not favorable to the seller. Why? What do I mean? What I mean is that Nigeria will continue to prefer pay on delivery till Jesus comes, because one, probably they have been dealt with, they have been victim of online scam. So everybody have reason to be to fear. So nobody wants to put his earned money on the air and see nothing as written. So with that, you need to learn logistics. Like the number of those delivery agent details I put on that course. So try, when you call them, just make sure that you are familiar with them, and don't is a business is a business. When you negotiate, know how to speak to them, because they are the bridge between you and your profits. Taking for instance, if they don't attend to your customer well, you can't make sales and they can't do delivery. And never forget that you have paid for adverts. So whether you sell or not, it doesn't actually concern them the more, because what they will just do is that if you don't sell enough, out of the one they help you to deliver, they will still remove their money. So it is advisable you know how to play your game well. Just know how to, like, know them very well, and sometimes just call them and to just compensate them, although they are doing their work. But never forget that the success of your delivery rely sometimes on them. So still know, like, learn business management, like customer support, follow up and feedback. When a customer gets your product, probably, it is not sometimes a good product, sometimes some of them might be faulty. So it is advisable, you will get to a stage that only you cannot do this thing again. I'm telling you out of experience. So there is a limitation to what you can do. The technical part of it is enough, compared to you calling customer, getting feedback. It might be tricky. So with it, at the time we come that probably you will need a customer support. So what the person will be doing is that it will help you in getting across to the clients, and it will help you as well in following the delivery agent to know the updates, and it will help you in knowing the amount of the number of orders you have done on a daily basis. So with that, you have a good record and proper documentation of how your business is doing. And the most important part of it is that all these valuable skills, the greatest thing you can still do for yourself is to implement all these things. Share all these tips. It is advisable that you implement it and you lay your hands on it, and you see how you too can you can work on it. Because you can buy the greatest course in this life. They can give you the copy and paste, they can give you everything, but if you still don't implement it, it won't still work for you. Never still forget that someone that knows something and do not do it, and someone that do not know at all, two of them are going to get the same results. So kindly just work on this, and I'll see you on the top, because that's where I'm going to be. Thank you, and God bless.